Hello world, Shelly here, and Sephora Holiday Bonus sale time is upon us. I thought I would tell you guys what I'm planning on purchasing at the sale and my strategies for saving an extra 5 to 10% or more above and beyond the Sephora discount that you already get. Let me tell you guys the dates of the sale. I will put these down below as well. If you are VIB Rouge at Sephora, you will have 2 weekends to shop, October 26th to 29th, and then again from November 9th through the 12th. You'll get 20% off your purchase with the code ROUGEBONUS. If you are Sephora VIB, you will get shopping from November 9th through the 12th. Also 20% off your purchase using the code VIBBONUS. And lastly, if you are a beauty insider, you can shop the last weekend, November 16th through the 19th, with 15% off and code BIBONUS. So those are the Sephora sale dates. These codes are good online and in store multiple times, as many times as you want to use them during your specific sale dates for whatever status you are. So it's not like the one they just did a couple months ago where you could only use it once online and multiple times in store. This is as many times as you want online and in store, as long as you're shopping on the appropriate dates for your level in their loyalty tier. Now, I've got a strategy that I've been employing for the last couple of years that has saved me a heck of a lot of money. It involves the website Ebates and the website Raise.com, or they're both apps as well. Quick couple extra steps when you're shopping and you save a bunch of loot. So I'm going to tell you guys how to use Ebates and Raise.com to save you some extra money when you're shopping for your stuff. And this works not just for Sephora, but for any place that these websites support. So let's get into it. I did a whole screencast and you can watch me shop. All right, let's talk about how to save some money. This is a two-step process for me. I use 2 different websites to accomplish the goal of saving 5 to 10% or more in addition to whatever sales happen to be going on at the stores that I'm shopping through. So I'm going to have links down below for Ebates, and it is my referral code for Ebates. So if you use that code to sign up for Ebates, you will receive an extra $10 back after you make your first $25 in purchases through Ebates. And then I'm also going to give my referral link to Raise.com, which is the gift card website, and if you use my link, you will get an extra $5 off your first Raise gift card purchase. So I do get bonuses as well if you use my referral links, but I recommend both of these websites regardless of whether you use my links or not. So first off, let's talk about Ebates. Now, this is a website that you go to the Ebates website and search for whatever store you would like to shop from, and then the Ebates website is going to tell you if there are any additional discounts for shopping through Ebates. They will also give you any promo codes that happen to exist on that website at that time. So I'm on ebates.com right now. I'm logged into my existing account and I'm going to search for Sephora, and it looks like the maximum right now they're giving is 2.5% back. They've got a site-wide sale, so Rouge members get 20% off. In addition to this 2.5, here's the promo code. If you click it, you can copy it to your web browser's clipboard, and that sounds good to me. So I would then click the Shop Now link, and that'll take me to Sephora. Alternately, you could install the Ebates browser bar, and whatever browser you're using, you would go to their store. So I'm using Chrome, so I would go to the Chrome web store, but you can get this for Microsoft Edge, you can get this for Firefox. They've got extensions for all the major browsers, and you would add it to your browser. When you do that, anytime you're on an online shopping website that works with Ebates, you don't have to go to Ebates first. It will just pop up in your browser that Ebates has cash back on that website. So I use that to make sure that I never forget to get my Ebates discount, but you could always instead just go to ebates.com first and then click through from their website to wherever you would like to shop. So that is how I would get to, let's say, Sephora. When I'm at Sephora, then I would click to activate my 2.5% cash back. You'll see this little confirmation, and now I'm ready to shop. Now, of course, I already added a couple of things to my shopping cart, and I want to get the Sephora Favorites little skincare collection here, and I would like to get the Peter Thomas Roth Mask Frenzy collection. And Ebates is telling me that there are 15 coupons that I could apply. If you click that, it's going to attempt to apply all of the coupons that they have on file and give you the best one. Now, I already know that I would like to use ROUGEBONUS because that's going to be the very best possible promo code for me for this purchase. So I will apply that discount. I will select my free samples. Did anyone else notice that they're only giving 2 free samples instead of the usual 3 now? Is anyone else irritated by that? I am mildly irritated by that. I'm going to select the Tatcha Water Cream, and yeah, the samples for the Rouge sale. Do I want to say this out loud? They kind of suck. Like, these are all duplicates, and I've already got most of these samples. But anyway, I guess I should not be picky. So I have applied all my discounts. My estimated total is $95.20. The next step in this process is to save an extra few percent, and that is by going to raise.com, where I can purchase gift cards. And the idea here is you're going to purchase a gift card that you are paying less than the value of the gift card by a couple of percent. Now, they've got a big sale going on today on the raise.com website. This will be over by the time this video posts, but today I can get an extra 5% on top of whatever discount Raise is already offering. And Raise works with Ebates. So first I'm going to activate my extra 1% back from Ebates, and then it's going to come back to raise.com, confirm that my cashback is active, and then you search for your store. So let's say I want Sephora. Of course, it already knows that because I buy Sephora cards off this website quite frequently. So I'm going to click on Sephora and see what they've got going on. It looks like right now the highest percent off that you can get is 0.4%, and oftentimes you will find anywhere from 0 to say 5% off on Sephora gift cards. Today, the best I can get is 0.4% off, but every little bit counts. So basically, I'm going to get a $100 gift card, and I'm only going to pay $99.64 for that gift card, and I'm going to get another 1% back applied to my Ebates account. So I'm going to say buy now on this gift card, and when I go to check out, they've actually got a sale with a bonus code. Use promo code, and their code is Doorbuster. That is going to give me an additional 5% off of my sale. So I'm going to get a $100 gift card for $94.66. I don't need any coupons because I already applied my own. Go ahead, complete that transaction, and then you go back to your Sephora and you check out and use that gift card for payment. Now, if you had a very large order, Sephora allows you to use up to 2 gift cards per purchase, and then you can pay the balance with whatever credit card or method of payment you prefer. So that ends up saving quite a bit of money. In this case, I save about 30% total, 20% from the VIB Rouge sale, and then an additional 10% between Raise, Ebates, and the bonus that the raise.com website was offering. So an extra $10 on a $100 sale is not a bad deal at all. Now let's go through what I ordered in my big order for the Sephora sale. And I am blaming Mel Thompson's channel for this. The La Mer Soft Fluid Longwear Liquid Foundation. This is kind of ridiculous, kind of. It is so ridiculous. I kind of can't believe that I actually ordered this. I am not going to make a habit of spending more than $100 for a bottle of foundation, but I had some birthday gift cards. I had pretty generous birthday gift cards, and they all were for Sephora. So I decided to treat myself in the 20% off sale, and I ordered the La Mer foundation. So that will be coming in an upcoming Foundation Fest, but Yes, I promise I will not make a habit of spending so much money on foundation because it's kind of nuts. The next thing I ordered was also recommended on Mel Thompson. I need to stop watching her because she's the one that got me into Pat McGrath too. So, she's killing my wallet. But the Marc Jacobs Beauty Sequins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow, I ordered this in the Topaz Flash color because she was wearing it in that video, in her Sephora recommendations video, and it looked so gorgeous. And so I succumbed to that and ordered that one. I also ordered, I wanted to try some more stuff from Belief. Why does this keep popping up? I am in love with several Belief products already. I use their True Cream Moisture Balm Moisturizer. That's my absolute favorite. I'm also using their sleeping mask right now, and so I wanted to try some more stuff from them. So I picked up the Witch Hazel Herbal Extract Toner, and it's meant for hydration and smoothing and balancing after cleansing and lots of good things. The ingredients look very good. There's no mineral oil, which I like because I've noticed some of my less expensive skincare that I've been trying out has mineral oil. Mineral oil can't sink into the skin, and so it can prevent any skincare on top of it from sinking into the skin. So I'm trying to avoid mineral oil unless it's in the very last thing I put on my face, because if you think of it as, you know, the final thing you put on your face, it can help seal everything in, but it's really not going to allow much above it to sink into the skin. So I'm going to try out that toner. Then I ordered the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and I'm kind of obsessed with Natasha Denona eyeshadows now. That happened a few months ago, and, you know, I wasn't super into this because gold isn't really my jam. I'm more of a cool shade person, but there's just a really nice variety. This blue and this, like, bluish green totally caught my eye, and when they were swatching these, I watched some videos. It just looks gorgeous, and some of the looks that were coming out of this palette looked amazing. Her formula is fantastic. I really love her eyeshadow formula. And so I ordered that. You guys know I'm an eyeshadow palette junkie. Like, I am a hoarder when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. I cannot control myself. And then, I'm breaking my own rules here. I ordered from Fenty Beauty the Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil. I can't even remember where I was watching this. Somebody's video had swatches of this, and I just fell out of my chair. I love a good highlight. I was not planning to purchase anything really from Fenty Beauty because I just don't need another brand to buy stuff from. I have so many brands that I am loyal to, and I buy a lot of stuff, as you guys know. And, you know, it all still comes out of my pocket. I don't make much money on YouTube at all. So I did not want to bring another brand into my life, but I could not control myself when I saw how gorgeous this highlight was. So I ordered it because reasons. Then we've got the Kevyn Aucoin Nude Pop eyeshadow palette. I wanted this when it first came out because I thought it looked amazing, and also, Mel Thompson was talking about it and wearing it and swatching it. She did a couple eye looks with it, and it looked amazing. And I convinced myself that I don't need it because I just don't need another $57 eyeshadow palette. And then Mel Thompson put it in her recommendations for the Sephora sale, and she swatched some more colors, and I just fell out of my chair. And, I mean, look at these swatches. I just feel like it's beautifully cool toned. There are not enough cool toned eyeshadow palettes in the world. I think it is just absolutely freaking gorgeous. And so I caved and I ordered it, and it will be mine. Then the Dior Backstage, I just ordered another shade of this. You guys know I thoroughly enjoyed this one. I will link the review down below if you missed it, but I've been waiting for these these lighter shades to come in stock, and they finally did. I went with Cool Rosy, shade number 1. I was debating between that and the Zero Cool Rosy, but I have a feeling all the shade finder information was pointing me to one Cool Rosy, even though I think one neutral is too dark for me. Comparing the two, it does look like Cool Rosy is lighter, so I went with their suggestion. We will see if it is the right shade for me, but I ordered that. And the last thing I ordered was this Tatcha Bestsellers kit. And because I wanted to try a few things. I wanted to try this water cream, which I'm also ordering samples of. And I wanted to try the rice polish because those two have been on my list of possibilities for quite some time. The Camellia cleansing oil, I hadn't planned on testing, but I'm actually testing out a julep cleansing oil right now, and I'm really liking it. So I thought, hey, what the heck? I would like to try the Tatcha cleansing oil. And of course, you can never have too much of the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which is just amazing stuff. So this was a pretty nice little kit, I thought, and so I ordered that as well. So those are all of the items in my giant, big, happy birthday to me 20% off VIB Rouge sale, and that's what I have purchased. There you have it, my ridiculous list of things that I purchased at the Sephora sale, and yep, I spend way too much money on this stuff, but oh, do I love it. What are you guys planning to purchase in the sale, or what have you already ordered if you are Rouge and got in on the first weekend? Let me know down below. What am I missing? What do I need to check out? Which of the things that I'm ordering would you like to see me review and check out first? Because I have a lot of stuff and I don't get to it all immediately, so let me know what you want to see first. What are you curious about? What do you want to see? Let me know in the comments down below. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, if you like these kind of strategies for saving money, even though we're spending it some pricey stuff. Every little bit counts, you guys. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps my channel grow. Please come back every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. I post new videos, and I hope you all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.